everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and today we're going to take a look inside the Kawasaki 7000 series Metro train. Okay, let's hop aboard this 7000 series Metro train here. We're going to be in cab 7066. And as we step on and just head here to the right, of course, here's the engineer or motorman's area. There's all his controls. Just off to the right there, emergency only, push to talk, tell them what cab you're in, 7066. And then here's our system map, orange, silver, red, yellow, green, and blue. And of course the blue line right now is not working, it's down for construction. And then here's an overall look of the train. There are 62 seats in here. Informational signs. This is I guess that's like a hard plastic or glass there. Probably a hard plastic. And some informational signs on the COVID. And then some safety restrictions here. The following are strictly prohibited in the monorail system. No smoking, no eating or drinking, no animals except service animals, no audio, video without earphones, no littering, no dangerous or flammable items. It's the law. Violation is punishable by fine or jail. Here's some COVID information. And here's your routing map. Start here in Reston, end up in Largo Town Center. Spring Hill gives you information on the transfer, bus information, parking, bicycles, car ride share. Like I said, 62 seats in here. More information, your next stop. And there are a total of 26 stops. That'll show the 26th stop that'll come up eventually. Here's an area for handicap on their wheelchair. Then above that is what to do in an emergency. And then here's some pull down levers in case there is an emergency. Hopefully not. Another push to talk button. And then across from that is another priority seating for handicap. Federal law requires that these seats be available to passengers with disabilities and the elderly. Another sign on what to do with emergency with another call button. More handicap, a lot of information signs around here. A little bit of advertisement.
Step back. Doors closing.
And we are getting ready to go here. And if you can't find a seat, there's plenty of standing room with these handrails up above. I'm not sure what the total capacity of one of these cars are. Now we'll just check out a few announcements.
Doors opening. Step back to allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car. This is a Silver Line train to Wheeling, Reston East. The next stop is Smithsonian. Step back. Doors closing.
Okay, well, hope you enjoyed taking a look at the Kawasaki 7000 series train there. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails.